What if your home felt like a canvas of colors, textures, and stories, full of soul, spirit, and freedom? Have you ever dreamed of creating a space that mixes vintage charm, earthy vibes, and artistic expression with effortless style? That's the heart of Boho Chic interior decor. It's relaxed, it's radiant, and it's completely you. In today's video, we're diving deep into Boho Chic interior decor ideas that will help you design a space filled with warmth, personality, and that irresistible free-spirited energy.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
What exactly is Boho Chic interior design and why does it stand out? Boho Chic design is a laid-back, eclectic style that embraces individuality, global influences, and layered textures. It combines earthy tones with vibrant accents, vintage finds with modern comforts, and chaos with creativity. It's rooted in the unconventional, pulling pieces from different cultures, eras, and styles to tell a cohesive story. It encourages freedom of expression and makes your space feel like a living, breathing reflection of your lifestyle. If you love interiors that break the rules and spark inspiration, like this video and share it with your boho-loving friends. What color palettes define the Boho Chic aesthetic? Boho Chic color schemes are rich, earthy, and unapologetically bold, perfect for layering and expression. Start with neutrals like cream, sand, terracotta, and soft gray to ground your space. Add pops of burnt orange, mustard yellow, deep teal, and magenta for that signature boho vibrancy. Mix muted pastels or jewel tones depending on your mood. Boho lets you be playful without losing balance. What's your favorite boho color mix? Share your palette in the comments and inspire someone's next room makeover. What furniture choices work best for a boho chic space? Furniture in a boho chic home is never matchy. It's collected, curated, and full of character. Opt for vintage pieces with charm. Think mid-century sideboards, rattan chairs, or distressed wood tables. Mix in floor cushions, poufs, and low-profile seating to create a casual, welcoming layout. Layer in globally inspired pieces like Moroccan ottomans, Indian carved wood stools, or tribal print benches. Need more furniture inspiration? Check out the playlist in the description for room-by-room guides. How does texture play a role in boho chic decor? Texture is essential in boho design. It brings warmth, interest, and a cozy tactile vibe to every surface. Layer rugs over rugs. Combine jute with kilim or Persian styles to add dimension underfoot. Add macramé, fringe, crochet, or woven wall hangings to break up blank walls with softness. Use throw pillows and blankets in velvet, suede, linen, or faux fur for a collected, comfy look. For more textural styling tricks, subscribe now for weekly boho decor breakdowns. What role do plants play in boho chic interiors? Plants are almost mandatory in boho design. They add life, shape, and a wild touch that ties everything together. Use large leafy plants like monstera, fiddle leaf figs, or bird of paradise in woven baskets or clay pots. Hang trailing greenery like pothos, or string of pearls and macramé plant holders for vertical interest. Group smaller cacti, succulents, and herbs on shelves or windowsills to build a lush, organic layer. All the plants featured in today's space are listed in the description below. How do you style a boho chic bedroom? Your bedroom should be your personal sanctuary, and boho chic design makes it effortlessly cozy and expressive. Start with a low bed or platform frame and layer bedding with mixed prints, textures, and cozy throws. Use mismatched nightstands, woven lampshades, and plenty of mood lighting to create a dreamy atmosphere. Decorate walls with tapestries, string lights, or travel photos that bring stories into your sleep space. See more boho bedroom ideas in the playlist linked in the description. What wall decor works best in a boho-inspired home? Walls in a boho chic home are anything but blank. They're an extension of your story and creativity. Use gallery walls that mix photography, abstract prints, textiles, and mirrors for an eclectic look. Hang hand-woven baskets, carved wood panels, or beaded curtains to add artisanal charm. Create an altar or shelf of collected treasures, crystals, candles, books, or souvenirs from your travels. Want more wall styling ideas? They're all in the videos listed in the description. How can you incorporate lighting in a boho chic space? Lighting in boho interiors is soft, ambient, and always full of personality. Use string lights, lanterns, or fairy lights to add sparkle and warmth to corners or headboards. Add table lamps with ceramic, rattan, or beaded bases and shades that cast a cozy glow. Use pendant lights or chandeliers with wicker, fringe, or glass beads for that unique artisan touch. Find all the lighting shown in this video linked below in the description. So if you've been wondering how to design a space that feels soulful, vibrant, and totally your own, Boho Chic Decor is your answer. It's the perfect balance of freedom and function, texture and tone, creativity and comfort. With the right mix of color, layers, and collected treasures, your home will feel like a living storybook, one that celebrates who you are and what you love. Let your home be wild, warm, and wonderfully you.